Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. So we need a Canva here and a Gumroad and also ChatGPT, but actually ChatGPT is optional. So what you're going to do here is you have to simply create an account on Gumroad. And once you have created an account, now open your ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to give you some ideas of for ebooks. So ChatGPT will show you these ideas. I'm gonna pick children's books. So I'm going to create a ebook for children. I'm going to copy this one right here, and then this time I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a short story with this title right here. So actually everything is up to you. You can ask ChatGPT to create a story, a children's story, or whatever you want here. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT later to create a short story each page with a specific number of words. So you can just do that one later. Now go to Canva and then look for ebook cover, then you can just add it right here with the same size. You can just add and then go to design. You can pick from any. So if you're going to search for a squirrel, then there's no design for that. So you just have to pick from any of the designs. Now change the title. So I'm going to change this with squirrel. Go to elements, look for squirrel, and then replace this picture of rabbits with a squirrel. So I'm going to delete the picture, the background picture. And then I'm going to replace this one, resize, change the author. And then here is the first or front page of our ebook. Now the second one, you can just select from the pages right here. You can leave it as blank or you can add and then just edit. So for example, I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm going to replace this. I'm going to add a picture of squirrel. And then I'm going to copy and paste, copy and paste. And for the remaining story, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and then copy again and paste it right here. So as a result, this is what it looks like. I'm going to tap on the share icon right here. So make sure this one is PDF and then download. Once you have your ebook, you can now go back to Gumroad, go to products. Now create your product right here, enter the title of your product, tap on ebook, add the cost or price. And then here for the next section, you can add thumbnails, pictures, you can add more information about your product. After that, upload your content, publish, and promote your product to earn money here on Gumroad. And basically, that's how to sell digital products on Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.